My name is Glenn Gardner. I'm the Operations Director here at Ciret, and I look after the day-to-day operations of the business.
My name is Phil Phillips. I'm the Sales and Commercial Director, and I look after everything on the sales side of the business as well as the commercial side.
We're part of the Storch Ciret Group, which has a history of 125 years of manufacturing painting tool systems. We have 22 sites globally, and we have 1,400 employees within the business. We are Europe's #1 painting and decorating tool manufacturer.
At the front end of our business, we have an excellent sales and customer services team that cover the entire UK and Ireland, offer a next day service to all of our clients.
With our offices based in Havant, we offer a warehouse facility covering 105,000 square feet and 9,500 pallet spaces. We also have a really exciting new showroom at our offices, as well as an advanced testing facility for the customers to actually test the products themselves.
Ciret offers the complete decorating concept of rota, Kana, mask and prep. Everything you would need for a decorating project, from preparation and applicators right through to wallpaper adhesives. The two most important factors for us here at Ciret UK are one, owning our own manufacturing capability, and two, our innovation with new products.
Our other main concern here is the environmental issues impacting worldwide at this moment in time. Here in Havant, we've managed to reduce down our plastic usage by about 80% in the last 12 months, and we'll continue to strive towards that as we go through 2020 and right the way through to the plastic tax that comes in 2022.
Today I'm going to talk you through our brands. We have Rota, which is for rollers and accessories. We have Kana, which is for brushes. We have Mask, which is for masking tapes. And we have Prep, which is for preparation tools. What we have within each of those brands is a premium range, a professional range and a contractor range that gives you three qualities, all at a good price point.
This is our massive warehouse. Within the confines of this, we have now created a production assembly facility. We are on average creating anywhere between 60 and 80,000 kits per month. A little bit more capacity to increase on that if needed. Within the last year, we've worked really hard on creating a much better OTIF, which is our on-time, in-full, next-day delivery service for our customers. So we've gone from an average of 82.4% a year ago to we're now hitting 99.2% for last year. And actually this year so far, we're at 100% for the whole year. So something we're really proud of here.
So having worked for Ciret for over 30 years, I'm still passionate about all the products that we bring out, like our tank brush. So keep an eye out for some new, innovative, exciting products launching in the future.